So today's video comes courtesy of Alibele. This is over some pretty, really pretty wavy hair. I went ahead and made this wig a while ago, and I'm finally getting to reviewing it for you guys. So this is the bag it came in, and then this is like the bag texture of hair was in, or bundle rather. But this is the wig itself here. I used my hot glue gun method using the black hot glue. And if you want to know why I use the black hot glue, or if you've ever made a wig and you know that white stuff that or the white dried glue that you have, that's the reason I used that one. So I have a tutorial on that. I'll have it linked down below. But this is what the hair looks like. If anyone wants to know what the inside of my wigs look like with a hot glue, I ran out of my tan caps, or my brown caps, so I only had tan, so I went ahead and used them because I accidentally bought like a huge bag of these from Amazon. I thought they were the brown ones that I like, so I have a bunch to use up. But I have this at the bottom just as an extra layer, and then there's also an adjustable strap on here, so I will be able to adjust it so that my nape, it fits really tight. I've already cut off the excess lace, so where there's lace you won't even be able to see this tan cap. It's just in the back or the crown of the head. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this excess lace and add an elastic band to this wig, which you've seen me do a million times here on my channel. I did already bleach the knots on this wig, so I'm not sure how we're going to style it today, but I'm going to go ahead and jump start this process, and let me come back so we can style it together. So I did bleach the knots already. I just went ahead and combed this hair out because I did co-wash it when I bleached the knots, and I let it air dry, and this is what it looks like when it's air dry. Very beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and saturate it with some product. I feel like I always use the same stuff until it's gone, so if you ever have a suggestion on a product, feel free to let me know all about it, because I mean, I'm very routine, and I'm sure you guys would like to see me switch the product up. So I'm using the Wet by Sebastian, but this is the Sally's GBP version of it, and I really like the way it does hair, so I don't really switch it up too much. So this is some Malaysian water wave hair. I'm having a 20, 22, 22 with a 16-inch lace frontal. I have an 18-inch bundle as well, but I didn't need it, so I will show it to you once I'm done styling the hair. So I'm putting a generous amount because this hair is super full, so the more hair you have, the more product you'll need, obviously, for it to be able to penetrate each follicle. If you don't want to use as much product, kind of wet the hair and get it a little bit damp before you put the product. That way when the hair is wet and you apply product, you'll need much less. I just chose to do it the opposite way this time around. And as you can see, that made a huge difference. Co-washing. I'm going to give myself minimal leave out, or not leave out, but baby hair. I don't really want to have real baby hair. I just want to kind of camouflage the lace a little bit. much it. I did 2 little goddess braids going around, and I pinned them in the back and kind of tucked them under the wig so that it would kind of not show, but just something subtle but different. I have my rose gold bobby pin, so you could feel free to just jam a bunch where you may. I think this look would also look really good with like ponytails and stuff like that. It's all about preference and just being creative and just finding different ways to make your own style and make things look different. And then from here you can do like a half up, half down. Just be creative and just do different things so that you don't feel like you're doing the same looks over and over again.
That's a good job, D. You know something else?
And that's pretty much it. I just wanted to be fun and a little bit different because I feel like I always do the same looks. So I just did 2 braids, 1 on each side, and took them back and pinned them back. Added a little bit of a rose gold detail with these rose gold bobby pins. And then I kind of did a half up, half down as well. Just be creative and have fun with your hair. I feel like it's so easy to just continue to do the same looks over and over again and stay in our comfort zone. But sometimes it's fun to just have fun and just play it up and just do what feels right. Again, this is the Malaysian water wave. Yeah, Malaysian water wave from Alibele. I really love this hair. I feel like it has a nice natural wave. Well, it is natural wave hair, but it has a really nice texture. The water wave is kind of one of my favorite go-tos because I'm a body wave girl. But I feel like nowadays body wave doesn't hold its wave like it used to like 10 years ago, and it's just a natural thing. So water wave, if you like the wave of like a body wave but you hate the fact that body wave like after a month is not the same, kind of just goes straight and kind of loses that beautiful texture sometimes, this is a great alternative because this wave is going to last like much longer, and it kind of gives you the same vibe. I really like this look. I like this hair. Again, I did bleach the knots and then I used the hot glue gun method. Description bar. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little review slash tutorial, just reminding you to be fun and have fun and, you know, just be adventurous with your looks. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out Alibele. I have all the information in the description bar. And as always, I'll see you in